Every second, thousands of packages are moving through this place.
And surprisingly, it's not chaos. It's completely controlled.
What you're looking at is precision on a massive scale. The kind of speed most people never even realize exists.
Welcome inside an Amazon warehouse. It almost feels like a river, just constantly flowing. We're talking millions of orders every single day. And these facilities, they're absolutely massive. No kidding. Some are bigger than multiple football fields. Every movement here is calculated. Every system is connected. And it all runs 24/7 without stopping. Now here's where things get interesting. These robots, they're doing most of the heavy lifting. They move non-stop. No brakes, no slowdown. Carrying entire shelves like it's nothing. And bringing them straight to workers. So, yeah, no walking around searching for items.
The contrast is clear. Human workers navigate endless aisles at a slow pace, while advanced robotics move with extreme, seamless precision.
Every scan is quick and incredibly accurate. Everything just works, perfectly in sync. It all starts with something simple. Just one tap.
From that moment, the system kicks in instantly. Robots are already moving. Shelves arrive within seconds. The item is picked. No hesitation. Quick scan? Confirmed. And just like that, it's moving down the line. Honestly, minutes start to feel like seconds here.
This facility represents the pinnacle of logistics, a seamless flow where every robot and every associate works in perfect synchronization.
Just a smooth, continuous flow. Now, the machines take over.
The multi-angle laser system captures exact dimensions, ensuring every package is routed correctly.
Boxes are created almost instantly. And somehow, every item fits perfectly. Sealed in seconds.
Labeled just as fast.
At this point, the speed is on another level. And everything stays perfectly synchronized. Next comes sorting. Each package gets scanned again. Then routed exactly where it needs to go.
Heads up, heavy box coming through. Got it, keep them moving. Clear the chute.
Loaded up, fast. Trucks are already lined up and waiting. Then they're out on the road.
Across the nation, an invisible system is revealed, the vast logistics network that keeps everything moving.
And it all started with just one click. Something that happens millions of times every day. That's the power behind Amazon Logistics.